Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 4 from your textbook, that is ethics and safety measures in computing. Content, introduction about this chapter and advantages of internet, disadvantages of internet, ethics and unethical practices. First is introduction. Here internet is known as a global networking, right? And also internet is called as a network of networks, and internet consists of private network will be there, public, academic, business networking technology, everything will be there in a internet. And internet carries vast information through a world wide web, means you can search any kind of information using the internet, and you will get all kind of informations in the internet also. Yes, right. And example, nowadays Skype, Facebook, Twitter, everything is there. For a video conference, to a text messages, for everything you will get one or other app for your convenience. And also nowadays email is replacing the postal service. Yes, right. Postal service will take so many days to deliver, but email will take few seconds. If you have an internet connection in your system, then it will take few seconds to communicate with the other person. And also you can save that text, and you can send, you can delete, you can keep it in a draft, whatever you want you can do using the internet. And also internet has become a powerful communication tool nowadays, and that internet is expanded and also grown and spread throughout the world, and it has advantages also as well as disadvantages also will be there in a internet. Next is advantages of internet. First, internet can be used for searching any information through a various search engines. Yes, right? Whatever information you want, you can search using a search engine. Search engines are nothing but Bing, Go, Yahoo, okay, Google, everything were there. And also the messages can be sent and received through a mail on internet. You can send a message through a mail and you can receive a message only if you are having an internet connection in your computer. And important role in research and development work. For the research people, internet will play main role to search any information like that. And it also allows video conversation using a Skype. Nowadays using a WhatsApp, Facebook, everything you can do a video chat. And it provides 24/7 online shopping. Yes, right? Online shopping will available whole day. You can shop at 12 o'clock night also. You can shop using online shopping options. It keep a track of share and stock marketing. For about the share and stock marketing, information will be available in a internet. Online banking facility is available. Online banking means money transfer. Example, Paytm, PhonePe, okay, Google Pay, everything is there using a internet. Next is disadvantages of using internet. Okay, some of the disadvantages will be there using the internet. First one, hacking of personal profile. Our account has become latest threat. Okay, using the internet, the people will hack other people's personal profile or account. And chances of getting trapped into fraud advertisement. When you will get advertisement, if you connected your system to internet, then only you will get fraud advertisement. Next, a lot of cyber crimes are committed by using internet. The hacking peoples will hack other system, or they will conduct a cyber crime only if their system is connected to internet, then only they can conduct a cyber crime. And chances of attacking or spreading viruses through an unknown mail or unknown site in the system. I said before only, I have said, right? A virus will enter to your system through a email also. How it will come? When you will get an email, if your system is connected to internet, then you will get an email, right? It may be a chances will be there of getting viruses to your system through an internet connection. Next is about ethics. Okay, While enjoying a fruit of information technology, we should ensure that the information is not misused or technology is not used to the disadvantages of a society and a people. Yes, means if you are using the internet for the good for the other people means okay. But don't use this internet or technology for the disadvantages of our society or to the people. Okay. And ethics is nothing but set of moral principle or set of rules that governs the behavior of a group or an individual. Ethics is nothing but set of rules or the set of principle we need to follow while using the internet. And some of the ethical rules we need to follow while using the internet in our system. Next is about ethical rules. So many ethical rules were there. We need to follow some of the main ethical rules. What is that? First one, while accessing internet, always work in a healthy environment so that the objective is fulfilled. Work in a quiet environment and in a healthy environment so that you can complete your objective and you can complete your work. Second one, do not copy or use a software for which you have not paid. Okay, some software will ask to pay the money. Okay, don't use such kind of software without paying the money for that. Third one, never try to detect an error of a computer system or to correct it even if a problem comes across at the time of working. While working in a computer with the internet connection, any error or any message is there, any message or any any something message will come on a screen, right? Don't try to correct or detect such kind of errors. And do not try to steal the secret information of any other computer. Don't steal the information from another computer. And also you must protect your document by using a password. Okay, give the password to a main documents were there in your system is give the password to such kind of documents. And if you are going to forget that password means write and keep that password somewhere else. And if you are working on internet, you should not browse at any unwanted websites or don't open any type of unwanted mails. Okay, don't search something unwanted websites will be there. Don't search such kind of website and don't try to open the spam folder in a mail also. Next is about unethical practices. What is that unethical practices? If the practice is against the ethics of a computer, ethics of a internet means that we will call it as unethical practices, right? It may be possible to access someone's personal information on a computer system, but computer ethics would advise that such an action is unethical. Okay, it is easy to get someone's personal information. Okay, that practice is known as unethical practice. That is against the ethics of a computer, internet, rules, everything. Okay, don't practice such kind of rules. And for example, for unethical practices are hacking, plagiarism, cyberbullying. I'll explain what is the meaning of this and all. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.